So this is about introduction to PHP program. Third year BA computer applications, sixth semester, programming in programming in PHP. So we already started with a course. So we just take another PPT and to discuss all the basics about all these things. So what are the basics or introduction? What is the introduction about PHP? So PHP is generally it is almost equivalent to syntax of C language. So curly braces, semicolons, no significant white spaces. So almost PHP language or PHP follows C language. Why? Because it is also case sensitive, and we are using curly braces in PHP also, semicolon at the end of each and every statement, and no white spaces are allowed. White spaces are generally not allowed, and syntax inspired by Perl means it is also followed some portion of the Perl syntax also, dollar symbol. So generally in PHP we may use we generally use a dollar symbol. Dollar symbol is generally used in Perl also, Perl language also, and extended HTML to add segments of PHP. Generally PHP is not only used, it is embedded PHP code is embedded within the HTML code or within the HTML programs. So generally PHP is embedded with or inserted within HTML code or HTML programs. So so this is the simple example of using PHP language. So generally PHP code or PHP script is embedded within HTML code or HTML program. So H1 some heading /H1. P means what is P? P means paragraph, new paragraph, and less than question mark PHP dollar echo within quotes hi there /n semicolon dollar answer is equals to 6 into 7 semicolon echo within quotes some text, echo within quotes some text, and question mark greater than. So this is the way how PHP code or PHP programs are generally inserted or embedded in a HTML program. So to insert or embed HTML programs as a PHP programs or PHP code in HTML, we may use less than question mark PHP syntax. Here echo is, what is echo statement? Echo is the standard output statement. Echo is, there are two types of output statements are allowed, echo and printf. So printf and echo both are used to display some text on the screen. So again dollar answer is equals to 6 into 7. So dollar answer is equals to 6 into 7. So what is answer? Answer is a variable. Generally dollar answer means the contents of the variable. So in the answer variable we may store 6 into 7 means the result of the expression, that is 42. Next is again echo statement. Echo within quotes some message semicolon. So generally echo is generally used to display some text or message on the screen. Next is generally PHP statements or PHP code is inserted in between less than question mark PHP and question mark greater than. So these are the two this is the syntax. And one more thing, PHP code is generally inserted or used within the body tag only, means all the PHP code should be written or within the or among the body tags only. Next, so this is another example using inserting or using some PHP code in a HTML program. So PHP from the command line. So how to use PHP from command line means command prompt. You can run PHP from the command line. The output simply comes out come out on the terminal. It does not have to be part of a response cycle. So the syntax is less than question mark PHP echo brackets within brackets some message semicolon and echo within brackets some message echo within brackets some message semicolon and question mark greater than. So this is the syntax of using PHP code or using PHP code or language in a HTML program. So syntax. What is the syntax of a PHP script? How to use PHP? So first we may start with some keywords. So what are keywords? Abstract keys. So keywords. What are keywords? Keywords means so keywords are nothing but also called as reservoirs. So these reservoirs are generally they have some specific predefined meaning and generally they are not used in as a part of programming programs as a part of a variable as a not used as a variable and generally generally they are not used in any programming. They are specifically designed for a specific user. So variable names. So what are variable names? Start with a dollar sign. Generally PHP every variable is generally started with a dollar sign. Every variable is generally started with a dollar sign followed by a letter or underscores followed by any number or letters or numbers or like that. So variables are generally used for they have some 8 digits or 8 characters and starts with some letter only. So how to use, what are the examples of using variables? So dollar $ABC is equals to 12 and dollar total is equals to 0 and dollar largest so far is equals to 0, like that. So these are the different types of different examples used for variables. These are the different examples for variables. So these are another examples for variables. Dollar $x is equals to 2, dollar $y is equals to dollar $x plus 5, print dollar $y. So there are two types of statements are used in PHP. Two types of output statements. Two types of output statements are used in PHP. First one is echo and second one is print. So echo and print. Echo and print are two types of output statements used in PHP to display some text or to display some variables on the screen. So next is what are strings or different what are the strings and how to use strings in PHP. So string literals or strings can be used single quotes or double quotes characters. So generally strings have what is a string? String is nothing but it is some set of characters or group of characters written in between some double quotes, or generally the string is a collection of any characters like alphabets or numbers, symbols and like that. So the backslash is used as an escape character. Generally backslash is used for escape characters, and strings can span multiple lines. The new line is a part of the string. In double quote strings, variable values are expanded, and generally this is another example of another program using PHP, another program using PHP using some strings. So the syntax is PHP less than question mark PHP echo within quotes some message, echo within quotes some message, and slash two double slashes are generally used for comments, to give some comments or remarks in a, to give some comments or remarks in a some in PHP, a reverse slash. It is also called as a reverse slash. And output statements are, what are output statements? Echo and printf. Echo and printf are two output statements, and dollar $expand is equals to 12. So to use any variable, in PHP, generally we may use a dollar symbol preceded with the variable. So to use any variable, we may simply use dollar and some variable is equals to some variable, some value. So these are the different parts of PHP variables. And comments, how to give comments in PHP. Generally in PHP, comments are given in a variety different ways, by using double quotes or by using some slash star symbol, like that.